ever given your phone to a service center, your bike to a mechanic, or your clothes to a tailor? Have you ever wondered what this regal relationship is called? In law, it is known as bailment. Let's understand it in the simplest way. Now, let's understand the definition of bailment under Section 148 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. A bailment is the delivery of goods by one person, called the bailer, to another person, called the bailee, for a specific purpose. After the purpose is completed, the goods must be returned to the bailer or disposed of according to the bailer instruction. So, first, let's break this into simple points. Like, first, there must be a delivery of goods. Then, second, the goods are delivered by one person called the bailer and the delivered to another person called the bailee. The delivery must be for a specific purpose, and after the purpose is completed, the good must be returned or dealt with according to the bailer direction. Like, if you give your bike to a mechanic for repair, you are the bailer, the mechanic is the bailee, and after repairing the bike, the mechanic must return it to you. This is called a contract of bailment. Now, let's understand the type of bailment. Bailment is mainly divided into two types: gratuitous bailment and non-gratuitous bailment. Gratuitous bailment means no payment or reward is involved for the sole benefit of the bailer. Example, like you keep your friend's laptop safely without charging anything. For the sole benefit of the bailee, like your friend lends you a book to study for free. Then for the mutual benefit of both, like you give your neighbor your bicycle to use and both of you benefit without any payment. Then non-gratuitous bailment means payment or consideration is involved. Like bailment for hire, renting a car or hiring a bike. Then pledge, keeping gold with a bank as security for a loan. Then bailment by gratuitous promise, like a person promises to keep goods safely and the promise creates responsibilities under the law. There are also some special types of bailment such as finder of lost goods, finger bailment, and bailee by law. So remember, this simple rule is: if there is no reward, it is gratuitous bailment, and if there is a reward or payment, it is non-gratuitous bailment. For a valid contract of bailment, some essential factors are needed. So these are the 6 elements must be present in a contract of bailment. The first one was delivery of goods. There must be a delivery of good from the bailer to the bailee. Without delivery, there is no bailment. Then the second one was goods. The subject matter must be goods. Money and services alone are not considered bailment. Then the third one was acceptance by the bailee. The bailee must accept the goods. If the bailee does not accept them, then the contract of bailment is not complete. Then the fourth one was purpose. The goods must be delivered for a specific purpose, like such as a repair, safe, custody, transport, or storage. Then agreement or contract. This is the most important part and important essential of the contract of bailment. Like, there must be agreement between the bailer and the bailee. This agreement may be implied or express. Then return or disposal. So after the purpose is completed, the good must be returned to the bailer or disposed of according to the bailer instruction. That's all for part 1. In part 2, we will discuss the duties and the right of the bailer and bailee. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Law with Aisha. See you soon in the next video.